Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we're going to have fun blending two letter words. These words are short, fun, and simple. Are you ready?
Yay!
Follow my lead and say each sound after me. A. Mm. Let's say it one more time. A. Mm. Now let's blend it. Um. Um. Let's say it faster. Um. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. A. Mm. Let's say it one more time. A. Mm. Now let's blend it. An. One more time. An. Faster. An. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. E. Mm. One more time. E. Mm. Good job. Now let's blend it. Mm. One more time. Mm. Faster. Mm. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. A. Oh. One more time. A. Oh. Now let's blend it. Out. Out. Now let's say it faster. Out. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. E. E. Now let's blend it. Eat. One more time. Eat. And let's say it faster. Eat. Eat. Now let's move on to the next word. O. Mm. One more time. O. Mm. Now let's blend it. On. On. Let's say it faster. On. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. A. One more time. A. Now let's blend it. As. One more time. As. Let's say it faster. As. Now let's move on to the next word. S. One more time. S. Now let's blend it. Mm. Ah. Eat. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. Mm. One more time. Now let's blend it. Mm. As. As. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. E. One more time. E. Now let's blend it. If. If. Let's say it faster. If. If. Good job. You did amazing. You're able to blend 10 words today. Good job. Now, I'm going to read sentences. I want you to say after me as we use the words in sentences. Are you ready? I am 6 years old. And I see an ant. In. Put it in the box. It. It is big. You are doing amazing. On. Sit on the chair. Up. Put your hands up. Us. Can you help us? At. I am at home. If. If I run, I win. As. It is as hot as the sun. Good job. You did amazing. You're able to read 2-letter words today. You are a blending superstar. Thank you for watching. Bye.